Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to design this flyer on your screen using your CorelDraw. Right, I'm going to take you step by step how you can design this flyer on your screen, okay, using CorelDraw. So if you are new to my channel, I am Emma Graphic. In this channel I take you through step by step tutorial on how you can perform graphic design work. So if this is what you have been looking for, kindly subscribe by clicking on the red button below and turn on the notification bell in order not to miss any of my future upload. Okay, without any further ado, all I need to do is to take this one. I usually keep it somewhere close so that you can see what we are doing, so we'll be able to compare it with what we are doing. So if you look closely on your left hand side, you can see that I have my stock images. I'm not going to use all of these models. Okay, I downloaded this from Pinterest, so you can go there and download some of this picture. And yeah, so the next thing you are going to do, just to get your size, so you come down here and grab your size. All right, so you'll be able to have your size. Okay, so once you get your size, you are sure of what size you want to use, so you just put it right in the middle of this. So I'm going to use the same size I use here. That was 5 by 7. All right, so okay, this should be 5 by 5.6 by 7. Okay, so I can just type in the same size here, 5 by 7. I think that's 6, 5.6. okay, 5.6 7. So now we have the size that we want to use. So you can use normal, A5 size. You can just come here. If you want to use normal A5, you just come here and choose A5. All right, so just come down here. So this is your A5, so you can just change to A5 if you want to use normal A5 size. So this is the size I want to use. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to bring in a background. I downloaded this, like I said, from Pinterest, so I'm just going to scale it up like this. All right, so all you need to do, just scale it up very well, and then give it a blur. Go to effect, give it a Gaussian blur, and the blur should be, let's say, 8 is fine, because what I need is this, some of this texture under the background. All right, so I'm just going to right click on it, and then I'll choose power clip and power clip it into the frame. Then go into the frame and take it to the center. All right, center, and take it right. Then you can click, just scale it up a little bit. All right, to fill up the space. All right, so I'm going to have something like this. So you can now click on finished. So the next thing you are going to do, you are going to bring in this, all right, somewhere here. So if you look at this, you can see that this thing looks so bright, a little bit too bright. So all you need to do, you click on effect. First of all, I'm going to convert it to bitmap. So the reason why I'm converting it to bitmap, so that it will reduce the size, so that it will not slow down the system. So I'll click on blur, click on Gaussian blur, and give it click on effect. So click on the adjust, then click on tone curve. All right, so once you click on tone curve, so you are going to adjust it from here. All right, so we are going to use this to adjust it. We are going to use this to adjust it. Okay, so this is the default, so you just tap on it and adjust it like this and click on OK. All right, so you can see that it's a bit darker than before. So all you need to do, you just bring it somewhere here and rotate it a little bit like that. Then bring it down, just duplicate it like this. So all I did there was to click and hold down my control key to duplicate it like this, then click here and then just give it a blur. All right, blur this particular one, the down one. You're gonna have to blur it like that. All right, and leave it like this. Then group everything like this, and reduce it and leave it somewhere there. All right, so the next thing we are going to do, we are going to draw a perfect cycle. So you draw a perfect cycle like this. Just scale it up a little bit, right at the middle. All right, somewhere there. So the next thing you are going to do, I'm going to give it this color so that you can see. Yeah. So yeah, then you can just type what we have here, Andy Studio. Just going to type Andy, studio like that, and then change, give it a font, change the fonts to whatever you want, but I prefer Captain Book. Then I'm going to bring it closer to the up one, then break it apart, Ctrl K to break it apart. All right, so you have something like this. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to now bring this one closer to this one, okay, because I'm going to break this particular one again. Ctrl K, break this one, Ctrl K again, so that I'll be able to have it 1 1. All right, okay, because we have to manipulate this. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'll delete this. All right, and then I'm going to use this and convert this to curve, and then click here to bring this one down. All right, bring it down like that. Okay, so you can use this to be able to demarcate, to know where you are. All right, so I think we are on the right track. So yeah, that's it. So you now give this one a color, this color, then give this one the same color, and give the other one the way it is, then group it all together and bring it somewhere here. All right, so the studio has to be white, so studio would be white, yeah, something like this, and group it now. Just group it. Now you can just type professional photographer. Okay, just type it for professional photographer and give it maybe 5. 5 is fine. Give it a white color, then bring it somewhere here. Bring it here. All right, and drop it somewhere here. Okay, drop it somewhere here. Ensure that you align this with this. Then since this one we still have it here, all you need to do is scale it up to give it, to just align it something like this. All right, so we were able to create this. This is more like a, the name of the company. We are using it like as if it's the logo, so we can just leave it somewhere here like that. All right, so the next thing you are going to do, I taught you what I'm going to do now. I taught you guys, if you have been following me, I taught you how to do what I'm about to do now. So all you need to do, you come down here and then you draw a line, more like a rectangle but very little, and then give it the color so that we can see. Remove the outline and remove the outline. All right, so this is too big if you ask me, so I'll just bring it a little bit closer, then select the two and then press E and C on your keyboard to centralize. That's, you select the circle and the line, centralize it, then click on this particular line twice. Once you click twice, the anchor point will show the rotational one. So from there you'll be able to click on it, and then because we need to cut its segment. All right, so you press down Control key. So once you are comfortable with this, or whichever one you want, once you are comfortable with it, right click immediately to have a duplicate, then Control R again for another duplicate, then select everything, select the circle, everything you have there. There's the circle and the lines. All right, select the circle and the line, And then once everything is selected like that, as you can see, come here and to your property bar and choose back minus front. Back minus front will give you something like this. All right, so now how do I get this? I get this from this. All right, I get this from this. So all I did was to extract the face of this camera, this length. Just click on your circle and draw like this. All right, so you draw a circle like that. You just draw a number circle just like this, and draw and cover it, okay, to the size that you want. Once you are okay with it, so the next thing you are going to do, you select all of it, then you come to this place, that's your property bar, and click on intersect. So intersect will give you this particular screen. All right, it will just cut part of it and give you this. All right, so this is what you will now bring to this circle and drop it somewhere right in the middle like that. All right, so that's how I did this. So this is not as perfect as I did the first one, so I'm going to use this particular one. All right, so I'm going to use this. Like I said, now you know how I did it, so you can do it yourself. So the next thing you are going to do, you are going to break this thing. As you can see, this thing is still, this segment is still together, so we are going to break it apart. So all you need to do is like click on it, just break up apart so that you can have it one. All right, you can have it one. I taught you guys how to do this before, so just go and watch the video. So now it's time to bring in the model. So for the model, all you need to do, let's bring them close. I think I will use this. I will use this particular one as well. I'm going to use this. I'm going to use this. I'm going to use this guy too. And the lady, let's see if there's a space for this particular one. So these are the ones we are going to use. So all you need to do, you bring this guy here, or clip this guy into the frame. All right, then go into the frame and scale it up. Go into the frame and scale it up to fill in the space. All right, scale it up like this. I think that is fine. Just click on finish. All right, so this lady can equally bring this lady here. Right, choose it. So just right click on it, click on power clip and power clip it here. Then edit the power clip and bring the lady here. As you can see, this lady is facing the left hand side. All right, so if you want her to face the right hand side, you can just click here to flip. All right, so that she can face this other side. All right, so scale it up to fill in this and bring it down a bit and click on finish, so you have a face there. So same goes to this guy. So right click on it, paste it here, edit it, and then bring it somewhere here, scale it up guys, scale it up. Yeah, all we need is this face, right? So we can just, yeah, and just leave it the way it is, just like that is fine. And this one can be somewhere here, or clipper here. Or clipper, yeah. All right, just edit it. I would like to flip this particular one, but I think there is no need, so we are just going to leave her the way it is. So yeah, and then click on finish, so you're going to have her like that. So the next one we are going to use is this particular lady, and right click, like I said, power clip here, edit power clip, and then flip her to the other side just like that, and reduce it. All we need is our face, and yeah, something like this. Click on finish. So the last one, this particular one, who was there? Okay, this particular lady. So just right click on it and power clip as usual, edit the power clip, bring her to this particular so that we can see all we want to see is our face. Click on finish. All right, so we were able to have that. So I think we are done with this, so you can delete this if you want to. So the next thing you are going to do, you just bring the contact. This I taught you guys how to create all these things, this contact stuff, the logo, location, email address, everything is right under this place, the object. All right, once you click on this particular object, so you will have sorry, I think that should be property. All right, text, let's see, text. I think I should have it. Okay, this is it. Okay, once you have this selected, this particular one, all right, so you can now come here and type webd. All right, yeah, type webd. So once you type webd, you will be able to, my system is a bit slow, right? Yeah, webd. So you'll be able to have these characters. So from here, this is where you'll be able to choose whatever you want. If you want to if you want the sign of telephone, so you can come here, choose whichever sign that you want. Yeah, like let's say website, you can use any of this. Email, you can use this. Just you can use email. Email is right here. All right, all you need to do is just take it here, give it a color. All right, so you bring it somewhere, wherever you want. All right, so I thought you guys, if you have been following me, you should be able to know how to do that. So all I need to do is just copy it and arrange it properly, place it where it's supposed to be. This is more like what they do as well, so you can just bring it as well and add somewhere here. So you just type. It's just a simple thing. Just click on, come here and click on this particular one and start typing. All right, so you'll be able to have typing stuff. Okay, type. You can create this as well by using this rectangle. You just draw a rectangle, perfect rectangle. All right, right click on it, convert it to curve, and then go to this shape tool and remove this one by double clicking on it, and you give it a color. Remove the outline. You can remove the outline from here. All right, remove the outline from here, and then just rotate it. That's it. That's all you need to do, and bring it anywhere you want. You can see. So that's how I was able to do this, able to create this. So if you look closely, you can see that this is almost exactly what we have. In fact, it's exactly what I created before. So yeah, try it and let me know what you think. If you have any question, drop it under the comment section and I will be very happy to respond. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.